two guests. One of the guests in the orange dress at concession.
Okay.
We think that she's drunk or on drugs or something.
Okay.
She skipped the line, and we asked her to go back in line and wait like everybody else.
For the concession?
Yeah, and then she grabbed the POS and started like shaking it to one of our other managers.
Do you want her out?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want her off mall property?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you want her banned?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
This one, this lady right here?
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hi, how are you? I'm Officer Gray with Promise Police Department. You gotta come outside with me, okay? Yeah, they want you to leave the property. You okay? You alright? Your eyes are a little loopy.
How are your eyes?
My eyes are fine. Is this how you normally are? You been having anything to drink tonight?
I'm looking in your eyes directly.
Okay. And then I'm asking you, do you have anything to drink tonight?
No.
Okay. All right, so we have to leave the property right now, okay?
I'm not going to do that.
Okay, so this is how it's going to go, right? I asked you twice now to leave, right?
Right.
You are being banned from the Garden State Plaza. If you don't leave, we're going to arrest you. Okay? So I'm going to give you one more shot. I'll give you 10 seconds to walk out with us, or you're going to get arrested.
Get the ban from GSP.
Okay, here he is right now. So you want to turn and look?
Let me call my husband.
No. Turn
He's
and look.
a police officer.
Okay, call him. I would love to talk. I would love to talk to him right now.
Let's do that.
I would love to talk. Is he here?
Don't worry about that. Please back up.
Okay.
I'm not backing up.
Ma'am, look at him. He's going to ban you, okay? And can one of you guys come over here? Yeah. All right, you don't even know his phone number.
No, how about you get away from me?
Okay, right? You want to get banned?
I don't.
Here's
I
Garden State
pray
Plaza.
to God, I don't want to argue with you.
Just say it out loud to her, and then you
I
want
don't
her
want
banned,
to
right?
argue with you.
All right, so just
How
look at
about
her
you
and tell
guys
her.
back away from me? I call who I have to call.
Just tell her.
You do your business.
Yes.
Thank you. In the name of Jesus, please get away.
You can tell the security guard, he ain't never been involved in nothing like this before. What you're supposed to do is, even if she's keep talking or whatever, still you override her and you say, hey, such and such on the behalf of Garden, blah, 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 blah. You are now being trespassed. We do not want you on these premises, blah, 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least so she could hear it, you know? But he ain't never been in this situation. Look, it look like he ain't never have a problem at the movie theater before. My boy like, what? What's going on here?
Man, can you listen?
Get away from me because you said he doesn't know who to call.
No,
Back away.
No, you said you're calling your husband.
You don't know who to call. Oh, God.
Stop.
Lord, give me this.
Put your hands in my face. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Come on.
Stop resisting. Just stop resisting. Just stop.
Put your hands behind your back. Come on.
I'm a nurse. I can't breathe.
I put your hands behind your back. Got it? There you go. Stand up. Stand up. Yep.
Come on now, you just hit the ground. They just started to get to work on you, man. They just started. And you can't breathe already? Come on, man. Really? Really? You don't got nothing better to say than that? They just started working on you, man.
Come on. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up.
Come on. There you go. All right.
I don't want to.
Didn't have to go down like this.
No, it didn't. Because
Stop.
put your hands on me.
What are you doing?
You kick us, you're gonna get charged.
You got another charge on you.
That's
For assaulting a police officer.
That's
there you go.
fine.
Stand up.
No, get the away from me.
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand the away.
Stand up. Stand up.
Please, sir. Please, sir, don't touch me.
Oh, boy.
Don't touch me. Call whoever you gotta call.
I'm not calling anyone.
Call whoever the you gotta call on that mother radio.
Okay.
And kitty out and
You don't want to stand up?
Well, you're gonna get up.
I won't.
Okay, we'll just drag you out of here. It's by me.
Call whoever you gotta call.
I don't have to call anybody.
You do, but I
Who am I
just saw
calling?
you.
Who
You
am I
have the radio.
Yeah,
Call
yeah.
who you gotta call.
It's all right. You're already under arrest.
Whoever you gotta call. You put your hands on me.
Yeah.
You don't
That's
know
what's
who
gonna.
the I know.
Okay, that's.
You don't know who the
Call your husband.
So I will call whoever the I
Thank
gotta
you.
call. Don't put your hands on me.
Pick
For
her up.
all the charges you gotta call. Do not put your hands on me.
Ma'am,
Do
stop.
not put your
Stop.
don't put your hands on me. I don't give a what charge you put. Don't put your hands on me.
Then you tried to spit on them. They definitely gonna get you together. They gonna get you together 100%. 100%. Yeah. See, you would have been better off just acting correct. You know what I'm saying? Acting accordingly. You don't want to do that? They gonna get you together, man. You don't want to act right? They gonna get you to act right now. That you doing too much, man. You got kitty cat all up in the face. Boom. Got the smell is boofing. Oh, it's hitting the office. It's crazy, like combos, like boom, boom, like yo, like you know what I'm saying? You spitting, you doing a whole lot, man. You doing too much.
Stop.
Do not put your call EMS. Whoever you gotta call. Don't
Stop
put
kicking.
your hands on
Stop
me.
kicking and stop spitting.
You fake ass paramedic mother.
Stop.
Y'all not run ass cops. Y'all didn't go to school like me, motherfucker.
Stop.
Get the off me.
You just spit us and you kicked at us. Stop.
Get the off me. Get the off
Stop.
me.
And stop.
Get the off me.
Stop.
I don't give a what color I am. I'm black, I'm brown, I'm purple. Get the off me.
As soon as
Get
you
the
calm
off
Ma'am,
me.
calm down and we'll get
No,
you
let me
up.
go. Let me
Do you see how you're acting?
Do you see how
Stop.
you acting?
Ma'am, are you on something right now?
Stop.
Your mother wants something.
Stop.
Get the off me, okay? Trayvon Martin, I'm well educated. I have 4 degrees. You will never make me feel no type of way.
Oh, brother. You got 4 degrees and you bringing up Trayvon Martin. The Trayvon Martin incident has nothing to do with police officers. That was a wannabe cop. He wasn't a cop. That's like, what? You better off bringing up Eric Gardner or something. Bring up something that's relevant to police, okay? That Trayvon Martin got nothing to do with the cops at all. And I know a lot of people bring him up when they feel like they're being done wrong or whatever and stuff like that, but that was just a wannabe cop.
Get the off me, man. Get the off me. You too.
Stop.
Get off me.
Stop
You hurting
kicking.
my arm.
Stop kicking.
You hurting my arm.
Because look how you're acting.
I know how to make my arm feel better.
Right now you guys 2 and 8.
Get off my arm.
Stop.
Get off my arm.
You're not gonna spit at us. You hear
I'm
me?
not gonna spit.
Yeah, you did already.
I was never gonna do that.
You just did. You just spit at me.
You talking to?
You. I'm talking to you.
My friends are here. My friends are here. Get the off me. Get the off me.
Right here.
No.
Stop. Just sit. Relax.
No.
Just relax.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me ever in your life.
bring her back
I
up.
don't with y'all.
Relax.
Okay, get the off me, my. I went to. You know how many degrees I got? Get the off me. Because you don't know who the you.
Can you calm down?
Mind your business.
Just spit on me.
You talking to?
Can you just...
No,
take
leave
it
me
down?
alone. Don't say sit to me.
I guess she's reeks of it.
Yeah, it's not.
Who reeks of alcohol? Motherfucker, you see your belly? You reek of alcohol. Get the out my
I wouldn't be
face.
talking.
Yeah, whatever. Your mother.
Oh,
Where you going?
Out my face.
Stay on the
Move.
floor.
you keep screwing.
Move. Move, Parameter. Move.
Stay where you are.
Move. It don't matter. It don't matter nothing that you got going on. But let me tell y'all. Oh, Lord. Oh.
Man, why are you standing? What are you doing? We said sit.
That meant
said
so much
sit.
to me. Don't touch me.
Why do you keep rolling?
Don't touch me. That meant me so much
Okay,
to
don't
me.
kick me,
You
'cause
don't know what the that means.
That's gonna be another...
You probably joined this police force just to do it for benefits. You know what the mean for a motherfucker to watch you?
Okay.
You know what the that means?
Okay.
You don't. You don't. You.
Okay.
It don't matter. You don't gotta drag me out nowhere because I'm a nurse. I mean this from the bottom of my mother heart. You don't know I came from mother Patterson. When it comes from mother education, that's something we mean, my. You don't know what the we been through. No, sir. You don't know what the we mean.
I know.
No, you don't give a.
What's your
You
name?
don't give a.
Ma'am, what's your name?
What's your name?
Matt, what's your
Your
name?
officer, Paramus Patterson.
Ma'am, just tell me your name.
Police.
Ma'am,
American.
what's your name?
Emergency department.
Has she spit yet?
Yes,
I didn't spit at nobody. I swear to God, I'm not.
Calm
I
down.
didn't
Hey,
spit at nobody.
listen, we're gonna walk out to the
What's your
police
name?
car, okay?
No, please
What's
don't
your
spit
name?
me.
Are you gonna spit anymore?
Officers already.
Are you gonna
Stop.
spit anymore?
I never spit.
You spit
But I
on
want
it.
you to get the off my head.
Okay, then we're gonna-
What the is the North PD?
Okay, stand up.
Stand up. Stand up.
I've been
Stand
I've been through.
Stand up.
What the is the
Stop. You're gonna get sprayed. You're gonna get pepper sprayed. You're gonna get sprayed. Fight me. Are you kidding me?
Put it on.
Put that on her head. Spray her. If she wants to bite.
Because you guys are just, I don't know what's going on here, man. She already spit one time. She should have been had the mask on. Like, what are y'all doing? She hasn't calmed down since. And you're gonna give her a chance, get up, this and that. She should have had the mask on in the first place, bruh. Or you wouldn't have got bit.
That hurt.
You're right.
Get her up.
Okay.
Get her up.
We're gonna drag you out right now.
Get off me!
She bit you?
You gave you everything. God damn it, man. Open the door. Right now. Let's go.
12.
Want to bite and spit? No problem. You're gonna get dragged out. Let's go. Head up and get in the car.
Easy.
Yep.
Easy. Everyone slow down. Have her handcuffed. Put her right in the rig.
Okay. Right back to headquarters.
No, she's 2'9", right?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Yeah, we have.
We got an inbound.
Wait, guys.
Yeah, take the picture.
Can you take my hands off?
We don't have any ID or anything like that. It hurts.
Discharge me. Don't lie on me. Don't lie. I didn't do nothing to you, sir.
She's getting at least a couple aggravated assault and field charges for spitting, biting, resisting.
She kicked us probably at least 5 times.
Who else did she kick? You and who else?
Me and Casey.
All right, so yeah, like
But it's defining trespassing because she wouldn't leave.
resisting,
Disorderly, aggravated assault.
3 counts of aggravated assault, 2 for kicks.
Yeah, she spit on
a
me.
bite,
Yeah.
yeah, like 4. Yeah.
All right, so how about let them deal with that guy and let
Yeah.
us 3 go in.
You 3 go with her. I'm gonna go see the deal with that guy. Somebody
You're gonna ride the
rig
rig?
and then 2 guys.
The suspect was charged with disorderly intoxication, assault on an officer, and resisting arrest.
Hopefully it didn't break skin, because when she bit and it broke skin, a lot of times they make you go on like the cocktail. I mean, it's your choice, but what we call it the cocktail, which pretty much is like it's this concoction, it's this juice that you got to take for like I think a week or 2, and it like completely flushes you out, so that way in case maybe they got some disease or anything, you know what I'm saying, it completely like flushes you out. But you are gonna feel like crap. You gonna feel like crap, man. So, you know, hopefully it didn't break skin, you know, because if she bit him and it broke skin, probably gonna have to go on that cocktail, man. Chill out, you know what I'm saying? But if it didn't, you can continue work as normal.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.